Hey guys, today I'll be explaining the Analects of Confucius 1.6. And again, the translation I'll be using is the new translation published by Penguin Classics. But if you don't have the same translation as I do, that's okay too, because they should be translated in around the same way. So without further ado, let's get started. 1.6. The master said, "A youngster should be filial to his parents when he is at home, and respectful to his elders when he is away from his home. He should be prudent in action and trustworthy in words. He should cherish all people, but should stay close to the most humane. And if he has energy left to do more, he should devote himself to the arts." So again, I'll be doing a sentence-by-sentence explanation. A youngster should be filial to his parents when he is at home and respectful to his elders when he is away from his home. So a youngster here refers to a disciple or a student or just anyone who is in the early stages of learning or moral development. And it says here that he should be filial to his parents when he is in his home, which means basically respect and care and obedience to his parents. And then when he is away from his home, then he should also extend the hierarchical respect that he has learned inside his house, and also have respect and be well-mannered with others as well. And then second sentence, he should be prudent in action and trustworthy in words. So prudent in action means to make your decisions carefully and to avoid rashness and impulsiveness when making your decisions. And then trustworthy in words is just being reliable and sincere while you're talking with others. And then he should cherish all people, but should stay close to the most humane. So cherish all people is just having a universal concern or care for everyone. But although you should respect everyone, that doesn't mean you should interact with all of them. Instead, you must surround yourself with better people in order to learn and be positively influenced by them. And then the last sentence. If he has energy left to do more, he should devote himself to the arts. So if you have any more time or a learning capacity to do anything else after you've mastered all of the things mentioned before, then you should devote yourself to the arts, which is a bit vague. The Chinese word that is translated into arts here means more like culture or tradition, so maybe like cultural refinement, which can be anything between literature, poetry, music, history, practicing the rites, which will be mentioned later in this book, and calligraphy. So in order to be a cultivated person, you should first master concrete virtues in family and social life first, and then you can extend your care universally to respect everyone, but not necessarily interact and copy them. Instead, you should surround yourself with good people or better people that you can learn from. And then after you've mastered all of that, then you can cultivate yourself with culture or literature and all of that. And that will be all today. Thank you for listening.